Hello everyone.
Happy December 3rd. Today we celebrate disability inclusion, apple pie, and the joy of handmade gifts. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's International Day of Persons with Disabilities. A day to honor accessibility, equity, and empowerment. A great gift could be a donation to an inclusion charity, an adaptive tool, or a book celebrating diverse voices. Who inspires you with resilience? Let's uplift them in the comments. It's National Apple Pie Day. A warm slice of comfort and nostalgia. A thoughtful gift could be a pie dish set, a cinnamon spice kit, or a cozy kitchen towel. What's your apple pie twist? Let's share below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 22 days away, and the countdown is heating up like a holiday oven. And finally, it's Make a Gift Day. Celebrating the love behind handmade treasures. A sweet gift could be a DIY craft kit, a personalized ornament, or a handwritten card. What's your favorite DIY gift? Let's craft the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.